वो 1992 में आपको याद होगा, द कंट्री वाज 1991-92 कंट्री वाज इन great difficulty, financial problem tha. We had to pledge gold to come out of a crisis, and that opened up the Indian economy. So जो 1992 की जो budget थी, that budget opened up the Indian economy, and after that there was no looking back. Slowly, steadily, things started opening up. Banking opened up to private sector. Insurance opened up to private sector. More and more asset management companies came into being, and foreign investors started putting money into India. So there was no looking back after that. And then the last 10 years have been phenomenal years. So India ने जो growth देखी है, what growth we've seen from 2014 to 2025 is astounding. जो इंडिया की जो रिस्पेक्ट है, द रिस्पेक्ट इंडिया कैरीज ओवरसीज टुडे इज फार 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 हायर than it ever was historically. And I see that क्योंकि I still go and meet investors regularly and talk to investors regularly, and I see the respect in which India is held today is really in very very high regard. तो जो respect हमने जो पाई है, that is function of all the reforms that have happened over the year and the growth that the economy has seen. Financial growth तो ऐसे ऐसे बढ़ता है ना. It's not आपकी you look at the way the economy has grown. Last year economic growth originally was put at 8.2% and then has been revised upwards to 9.2%. This year we will probably end at about 6.5%. Now आपको लगेगा कि 6.5% is a big drop from 9.2%, but if you look at the rest of the world, the whole world is growing at less than 4%. तो कहाँ पे पूरी दुनिया की जो ग्रोथ इतनी कम है, इन दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट इंडिया रियली स्टैंड्स आउट. तो आज एनी इन्वेस्टर विल टेल यू कि जो ग्रोथ जो है वर्ल्ड में, दैट ग्रोथ इज रियली कमिंग इन इंडिया. और हमारी जो बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज इज आर यंग पॉपुलेशन. 2/3 ऑफ आवर पॉपुलेशन इज बिलो 35 years of age. और हमारी खाली एक ही only one thing we need to do is we need to ensure that we are creating enough jobs for all the people who are passing out from schools and colleges every year. जो अगर हम jobs create कर सकते हैं, which so far we've been doing with reasonable success, अगर हम जो jobs create, if we continue creating jobs, then I have no doubt in my mind that the economy will continue scaling further and further up. And the growth if I was to project India's CAGR growth over the next 5 years, I would say definitely upwards of 7%. 7.5% would be my reach. And 7.5% is not small. It's very big in a global context.